Gentlemen, we're on an MMA mission today. You can tell a lot by a man's library. You can tell a lot more by the bed of his pickup truck. We got seeds, detritus, a busted down Husqvarna. Worse still, part off a Dear John. Ugh. There's a culprit. Wouldn't have thought an old rotten fence post would take out a piece of steel, but there it is. Il fait beau en estime, mon gars. On va faire un beau plein air. I was beating on this thing like a monkey at the zoo. Couldn't get it off. Mind you me, on account of Buddy's wife being within earshot, I couldn't use the full gambit of foul language to get her loosened up. We don't have that problem here today. Quit using the strange. Just a little kiss. Just. I've found in my years of practice it helps to set the frame. Let them know what's in their future. What's coming to them? Do you like that? Oh, man. Kind of embarrassing when they come that easy. That's what's known as an anticlimax. Look at that. Normally the hose blows off, or the fitting end blows off before that, but it hit right on the fitting, stripped that nut off. Look at that, I pulled this out of the rag bin. You'll get a kick out of this. Yeah. It's right there in your face. Operation, just 'cause. You might not be old enough to remember this, but this is when they freed the shit out of Panama for, I think it was Noriega they got rid of in order to, freedom the Panamanian people. That's going to be a -8 GIC male to, I think about -16 O-ring boss male. That's going to be hard to find because of the the difference, -8 to -16, but I'll have a look here in the Human Resources Department. Ah! Wrong one. Maybe something like that. Something like that. And got to reduce down the dingus end. Something like that. Oh, that's in the wrong spot. That is a pipe adapter. Pipe thread to JIC. We need a reducer. That's about right, but that one's dirty. Let's use a clean one. That's there, bud. Just 'cause. You know, when you see it, 36 years in the difference. 35. 36 years in the difference. You kind of look back into the mists of time and realize. Makes you appreciate being neo-Amish. What the English do on their own time is their own affair. So that's her, boys. Plug top. 3/4 national fine. And we also have a bottoming 3/4 national fine. So we'll bring the both because we don't have a lot of room there. If you're a good doodle and you've been listening, or your old Uncle Bumblefuck, you rushed out and bought yourself some of these Lyle tap sockets. They have an O-ring retention. They are glorious for getting in tight spots. Oh. Oh no. The metric master race strikes again. Curse you, international standards. Bonus nachos, boys. You get to see the difference between a fella working by the hour, not by the job in the city, and a fella working all on his own in the bush. Other than getting brake clean in your eye. And nip this off, get rid of the zinc coating. It's not good for your lungs. It's fine in particulate form. It's just not good for you in fume form under welding. We'll do a couple of gobs of the electric hot snot there for perspicacity, and Bob's your auntie. Metric to standard. 8 after. It'll no doubt occur to you old hands that I have yet to check my junk drawer. Well, here's me checking my junk drawer, and lo and behold, I got a bunch of metric British standard parallel pipe thread. I believe this is interesting. I was building a pilot plant, a mineral flotation pilot plant under contract as a contractor. And the Milrongs, it got a pressure vessel from F.L. Schmidt or Metso or something. And they couldn't get the fittings in because they were too full of schmutz, well, painted on epoxy paint. That's generally how they paint it on. And we were waiting weeks for a monster BSP tap in order to chase the threads so that they could get the fittings in. Here's what I did. After hours, of course, because I'm not allowed to touch the stuff. Went and got a fitting from the local getting spot. And I made my own tap, thread chasing tap, just by cutting a little groove in there with a file. And then I got on the 6-foot extension ladder and shimmied up there, chased all the threads while nobody was looking, and lo and behold, the next morning, the threads were clean enough to put together. No waiting required. Sometimes it just takes doing. You know, if you know where to put that little X, it pays the bills a lot of times. If you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. There's more than one way to kick a cat. You didn't think it'd be that simple. The next problem is, this has got a big old fat O-ring boss, chamfered, machined in the socket for that O-ring to sit and seal. This has a bonded seal washer, which is designed to sit flat on this face. So we put this in. The fear is it might not seal. Or it might kind of seal for a little bit. Always got to consider the worst case scenario. Is somebody going to get hurt, killed by this? No. It's going to weep a little bit of oil. Is the cylinder going to fail and kaplunk? No. Should be all right. Weeping is a risk I'm willing to take. Not a bad spot. Not in the mud pit. Are we having fun yet? Maybe not, but we sure are greasy. You find yourself balls deep in something, you want to set the conditions for success. Piece of plywood would be too much to ask for, but if at first you don't succeed, keep sucking till you do succeed. Don't ever throw anything out. You might need it. Some stairs. Only rotted at the top. Huh? Yeah. Right? Oh, God. I can't do this single-handed in the dark. Inspect and get all the schmutz out of there. One little free-floating burr will put a fuck right in your whole week. Now what are we going to do? You can slow us down, but you can't fuck us. Over. Got a bit of a bend to her now. Click. Didn't spill a drop of Earl. There's still hope. We gotta test it. Shower. It's good for my house. Let's try and bend that back, get the fastener in there. Can't see the hole from this angle. I'm gonna walk it in slowly. You tell me when it's aligned. Just like date night. All right, Duclaw. What you do with the goddamn bolt? Oh, yeah. You notice this is a Hiscratchy hoe with John Deere accoutrement. If you dig deep enough, the haberdash will show you orange. Oh, fuck yeah, boys. Let's get the fuck out of here. Easy 6-pack all day long. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice. Come on, you fucking fuck. Hydraulic fitting inwards. Just do a quick pick for Buddy so he can mow his lawn. Never fucking ends, boys. Never ends. What's taking so long? You gonna be late for supper again? Mission accomplished, Bob.